Hi, in this video we will see how we can quickly insert the total from a Excel data table. So we can easily calculate the sum or total by manually, but there is very easy and quick tip. In this video you are going to see that trick very shortly. So at first we need to select the data. So this is the data we want to find the total here. So at first we need to select all the data, then we need to convert this data set as table. So I'm going to format it as table. I'm going to click this button and then I choose a style. For example, I want to choose this style, and then there will be a window pop up. So we just need to press OK. So because this is a header and like this. So now this is a tabular data. Now we can easily calculate the total for each of the like required column, whatever we need to do. So right click any, just select anywhere of this table, and then you will find table design. This type of thing will be appeared, and from here we have to come this table style options. From here we have to check this total row. Once we check this total row, we'll see something will be appeared over here. So I'm going to click here and see total row had been added. So now what we need to do, we need to find the sum, right? So anywhere of this column data, anywhere, if you press or click here, and then we'll find a drop down. Now if we click here, then it will pop up all the options like average, count, so many things. So from here, if you want to calculate the sum, we can easily click here and the sum will be displayed automatically. If you want to find some other options like maximum, what will be the maximum value, we can also figure out. For example, this is nice. Basically we are creating the sum of this total cell. If you want to find the total of other columns value, we can also do the same way. Suppose for this case, if we press here, if we click here, then if we click this drop down, it will come and then it will give us the total like sum. Now if we want to find out the maximum value, maximum sale price from this column, we can also do that. For that case, we have to click here, and then from here we have to find the max, and it will show us the maximum value from this row, from these columns, basically not rows. So here we are seeing the maximum sale price is 350, and it is showing that. Same way, if we want to find the minimum value, we can also do that by clicking here. We just select here and then click this drop down, and from here just choose min, and it is showing the minimum value is 12. From here we are seeing there are 12 values, and it is showing like that. And that's it, guys. In this way we can easily insert the total thing inside the Excel data table. Thank you guys for watching the video.